row, I seen the flip. Yeah, 5 times in a 5 times in a row.
Guys, today has just been a day. Oh my god, my hair, I just looked atrocious, but that just explains how I feel today. Really busy with work today. Lots of calls, lots of things to do. I've also had to edit my vlog and get it up, so I've been doing that like when I have time. Kind of, I'm not sure if I'm getting sick or not. I don't really want to go to the doctors, but I feel like I should just in case. Because I don't know. It's feeling like I have, this is gross, but like phlegm in my throat. And my nose is getting runny again. So I don't know. Maybe I should just go get checked. I don't know. I'm going to see. Because me and my dad need to run to Costco for my mom to return something for her. Because the Costco is near the doctors, so it would just make sense. So I don't know. I'm gonna ask him what he thinks I should do, if I should go or not. I made myself some tea. My skin hates me right now. It's so dry. You guys don't even know. Today is not it, but you know what? It is what it is. It's literally 3:30 already. I just don't know how the day just freaking flew. Welcome to my brain right now. I need to get out of my bed. I just sat here for like a half hour just to like, I don't know, relax my brain for a second, but I definitely need to get out of my bed so that I can like focus, because I can't focus in my bed. I like need to sit at my desk. Still have to do work. Hope your day is going great. All right, guys, so I just finished work. I'm feeling exhausted.
Me too.
Are you wearing the same shirt you wore last night?
No, this is a different one. I have a couple like that look similar to this. This one here is from, where did this one come from? This one came from Lord & Taylor.
Well, I can't judge because I've been wearing this for like a week. So.
And the one I had on yesterday was a Hollister.
So now, you gotta go back to Costco, as I said earlier.
Gotta go back, jack it up, bring the thing back.
Yeah.
I know.
I'm not going to the doctor because I'm okay. I'm just being dramatic.
Yeah. That's all right. It's better to be safe than sorry. And we have to open up the day number 5.
Yeah, you can do that.
On the little chocolate mint there.
They're awful. Dad, aren't they awful?
They got some nerve, I'll tell you that.
99 cents.
I mean, if you put all those pieces of chocolate together, it wouldn't even make a Snickers bar.
Well, there isn't even a day 25. It's what I just found out last night.
Oh.
Shouldn't there be 25 for an advent calendar?
Christmas Day, right?
Yeah. There's 24. How cheap is that?
That's
Trader
cheap.
Joe's, I have a bone to pick with you. Guys, look. Walgreens has a better advent calendar, but it also has 24. So maybe I'm just off. Should we get it?
If the price is right, I think we should grab that.
I am in office today, so I'm heading off to work. I'm not sure how late I'll be at the office. Usually in office days, we go in for a few hours, then I come back and work the rest back at home. But it really just depends on how much we have to do in the office and whatnot. So I have a bit of a drive. Oh great, the school bus is coming down the street. I got my coffee with me. I am just so excited to sip my coffee right now. I packed myself a little lunch. Filmed actually a little bit different than what I normally do. I filmed more like a get ready with me, so I filmed my makeup and getting dressed this morning for Instagram and TikTok. So if you want to see the whole thing, go over there, because I think I only filmed a few clips for YouTube. It is very hard filming 2 different things on the same device. Like, I know some people, you know, obviously have a camera when they vlog, and then they film their other things on their phones. So it's kind of easy to like do 2 things at once, but I can only do 1 thing at once, basically. Get what I'm saying? Okay. Anyways, let's head off to the office. So I am indeed the first one here, and I don't have a key, obviously, to, well, not, I don't know if that's obvious, but I don't have a key. I'm like 15 minutes early. Spare time here. I'm actually gonna edit my vlog because I need to get ahead on things. I also need to edit the reel I just filmed, so you know what, we're just gonna get ahead on that, because why the heck not, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. Home. I don't know why I'm clapping. I'm still working. Wow, it is so dreary out. It's pouring down rain. We got out of the office early. There was a freaking accident, so it backed everyone up. So my commute home was much longer, and then I was gonna go to the doctor's like I talked about earlier. So I was like, you know what? F it, let me just go. Like, the whole parking lot was packed. I walk in, there's all these people waiting to be helped. I'm like, you know, I'm not doing this today. It's not happening today. I work from home the rest of the week. I'll go at a time that like most people aren't going to the doctors, you know, so maybe it won't be as busy. I feel totally fine. As I said, I feel totally fine, but I just have things coming up and I just don't want to be sick. I just gotta like nip it in the bud. I really want to change out of my work clothes. Okay, well, I'm gonna get back to work. I can't believe it's only Tuesday.
Oh, terrific.
That's awesome.
I don't think I'm going to get takeout tonight.
You do that. So I just had my dinner. I had some leftovers. Now I'm chilling, and Mom's over there. Where are you? I think you're in the frame. Yeah. I think so. Dad,
Here's
you got
your box in the wet mail. Grab that from Wet Arms, please.
Which?
Whoa, don't show her the mail. No. Whoa, don't look! No. Don't look! Come on!
Is that my name on it?
Dad, come on!
His name is on it.
My God, Dad, you're spoiling everyone's gifts.
She saw it. She doesn't tell the truth.
Dad, why would you hand it to
I
her?
don't know. I don't think it was something she was worried. You were worried about with her. They do them.
Addie. Ooh.
Oh, I love him. Did he eat all his food?
I don't know. I think he might have.
All right, let's advent.
All right, let's see what we got here. We left off at number 3. We did, right? And we did 4.
We did?
Yeah. The 5th was
did?
Monday. Yeah.
Oh.
Here we go. Advent me up
Ooh,
before
what's that?
you go. It's a face.
Wait, go like... It's a snowman.
Oh, it is. Looks like a face head with like a hat. Look at that. It is
What is it?
a Christmas tree.
I like the size of a dime.
The holy grail of chocolate right here.
Trader Joe's really needed to step up. I mean, they could have done better than that.
Definitely.
Yeah.
They could have made the avocado $3 and picked better chocolate. Well,
Tomorrow,
they
we're
had
going for day 7 right here. We'll see what happy little charm is under there. For now, over and out.